से तूने छुआ ऐसा कटा लगा पूरी रात नचूंगी मुझको नशा चढ़ा.
Welcome to new podcast, Robotics in Bangladesh, a rising force. Today we are exploring robotics in Bangladesh, a field powering our journey to a smarter Bangladesh by 2041. From education to industry, young innovators are putting us on the global map. Robotics begins with the student patients at the University of Dhaka. Department of Robotics and Mechanical Engineering leads the specialist programs. Clubs at BRAC, RUET, and MIST, plus organizations like Bangladesh Robotics Foundation, offer workshops and kits for kids via companies like Robo Company and Robo Cybernetics Robo Limited. There has different kind of computers, science, and global success also achieved by Bangladesh. Events like Bangladesh Robot Olympiad, Robolutions, and Robot Olympiad National Spark Innovations. Bangladesh team shines internationally, winning 10 medals, including golds at the 2025 International Robot Olympiad in South Korea. Students built impression booth from soccer players to army, collaborative bomb disposal units also. In real-world applications, the industry startup drives automations for manufacturing and agriculture. Healthcare saw a breakthrough in 2025 with a robot-assisted surgery introduced at hospitals like Lab8 and Hypercare. You can see a picture also. Challenge and future considering this finding the gaps and import reliance persist, but government support and collaborations offer huge potential for jobs, exports, and solutions in disaster response and farming. Robotics is empowering Bangladesh's youth to innovate and build a smarter future. What's next for us? Comment below.
जब से तूने छुआ ऐसा कटा लगा पूरी रात नचूंगी मुझको नशा चढ़ा.
Thanks for listening. Subscribe for more. Thank you.